Good day, math enthusiasts! This is Mrs. Imelda Arquia, your math facilitator for today.
This video's topic is all about translating English phrases into mathematical expressions. Today's objectives. After watching this video, you are expected to translate English phrases into mathematical expressions and translate English sentences into mathematical equations. Do you have trouble in solving word problem? If yes, this video is for you. Ang common struggle kasi natin sa pag-solve ng word problem is yung pagta-translate ng English phrases into mathematical expression. Madali kasing mag-solve kapag may equation ka na. Remember, if you have the ability to see the relationship between symbols, then it would be easy for you to solve word problem. Sa pagta-translate ng English phrases into mathematical expression, mahalagang malaman natin yung mga keywords because there are words that indicate mathematical operation at sila yung magiging signal natin kung paano tayo magta-translate, kung anong operation ba yung gagamitin natin. So now, let us study the list of words that indicate mathematical operation. So let us start with addition. These are the words that imply addition. So, every time na makikita natin sila, addition yung magiging process natin. Plus, added to, increased by, more than, sum of, and total of. So, pag nakita niyo yung mga words na to, ang ating operation automatically ay addition. And here are some of the words that imply subtraction. No? Pag nakita natin sila, subtraction yung magiging process natin. So, we have minus, subtracted from, decreased by, less than, diminished by, difference of, and less. So, partial list lang siya. Marami pang words na nag-i-imply ng addition and subtraction. Halimbawa, sa addition, pwede natin gamitin yung word na deposit, subtraction naman, withdraw, and a lot of words pa ang pwedeng magamit para sa addition and subtraction. Pero itong mga words na to, sila yung mga most commonly used na words na nag-i-imply ng addition and subtraction. So, alamin pa natin yung mga ibang words na nag-i-imply ng iba pang mathematical operation. Here are the words that imply multiplication. So, pag nakita natin sila, multiplication yung magiging process natin. So, ano-ano na yung mga words na yon? We have times, multiplied by, the product of, twice for 2 times or double, thrice for 3 times or threefold, at marami pang ibang words. So, multiplication yan. And ito naman yung mga words na nag-i-imply ng division. Pag nakita natin sila, automatic, ang ating magiging process ay division. We have divided by, quotient of, ratio of, split, per, and half. Now, yan lang yung mga common words na nag-i-indicate ng multiplication and division. Ito naman yung mga signal words natin or keywords natin kapag gagamit na tayo ng equal sign. Magamit tayo ng equal sign pag bumubuo tayo ng mathematical equation. So, ano-ano yung mga words na yon? We have is and are, was or were, yields, and gives. Now, kapag na-encounter natin sila, ibig sabihin, yan na yung cue na tayo ay makakabuo ng mathematical equation. Next ay, yung mga words naman na nag-i-imply ng exponent. Square of, cube of, raised to, and power. Ito yung itsura ng exponential form. Itong A ay tinatawag nating base, At itong small letter n na nasa upper right niya ay tinatawag nating exponent. Siya ay nagsasabi ng number of times na yung base ay minumultiply sa kanyang sarili. Here are the tips in translating English phrases into mathematical expression. Tip number 1. Use any letter of the English alphabet for unknown quantities. So kapag hindi natin sigurado yung value niya or ang ating signal word is a number, gagamit tayo ng any letter of the English alphabet. Pero tatandaan, small letter lang ang gagamitin natin. Tip number 2. Identify keywords that indicate mathematical operations. Magagamit din natin yung list na inaral natin kanina, na kung saan malalaman natin dahil sa mga keywords na yon kung anong operation yung gagamitin natin. Is it addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division ba? Tip number 3. Write the English phrase or sentence into mathematical expression or equation. Example, 7 increased by a number. Una nating hanapin yung ating keyword. So, alin ba dyan yung word na nasa list natin kanina? Ayun, yung word na increase by. Anong operation ang ini-indicate na increase by? Addition, tama kayo doon. So, ngayon, tatandaan natin na may quantities tayo na i-add. So, anong quantities ba yon? We have 7 and an unknown quantity, which is a number. So, tatandaan, kapag nakakita kayo ng a number, gagamit lang kayo ng small letter of the English alphabet. So, i-translate nga natin yung 7 increase by a number. Ayan. So, 7 muna, and then yung increase is plus ang operation, and yung a number, gumamit tayo ng any letter of the English alphabet. In this case, gumamit ako ng small letter n to stand for a number. But wait, meron lang tayong isang maikling reminder. Whenever we encounter the word than and from, tatandaan nyo that they are called switch word. Ano ibig sabihin ng switch word? Ayan, magpapalit tayo ng pwesto. No, yung dalawang quantities na involved ay pagpapalitin lang natin ng pwesto. Example number 1. The sum of 5 and the number. So, anong una nating keyword na hahanapin? Siyempre, yung word na nag-i-indicate ng operation. At ano yung word na yon? Ayun, yung word na sum of. So, plus ang gagamitin natin. Kasi pag gumamit tayo ng word na sum, addition yung ini-indicate niya. At, ano yung dalawang quantities na involved? 5 and a number. So, isusulat lang natin yung 5 and a number. Nakita nyo, letter N yung ginamit ko, pero pwede kayong gumamit ng any letter of the English alphabet unless may in-state na letter na gagamitin nyo. Example number 2. For more than a number, hanapin natin yung keyword na nag-i-indicate ng operation. Ano yun? More than. Now, napansin natin may word na than. At ang than ay switch word. So, may pagpapalitin tayo ng pwesto. Ano yung dalawang quantity na involved dito? We have 4 and a number. So, sila yung pagpapalitin natin. lagyan natin yung operation which is addition para sa more than. At dahil may than, magpapalit sila ng pwesto. Ang A number ang mauuna bago yung 4. So, a number is represented by any letter. But in this case, gagamit muna ako ng letter N. And then, saka natin susulat yung 4. Nakita nyo, nag-switch sila. Example number 3. The difference between a number and 8. Now, ano yung keyword na meron tayo dito? The difference between. At ang difference between ay nag-indicate ng subtraction. Tama. Tatandaan natin kapag subtraction ng process, mahalaga yung order. So, ano yung quantities na isa-subtract natin sa isa't isa? A number represented by n or any letter unless stated, and 8. So, ilalagay natin yung 8 dito. So, pag sinabing the difference between a number and 8, pwede natin siyang isulat as n minus 8. Example number 4. 2 subtracted from a number. So, ang keyword natin dito ay subtracted from. At ang operation natin ay subtraction. So, dahil may word na from, ibig sabihin, ito ay switch word o magpapalitan naman tayo ng pwesto. So, sino yung pagpapalitin natin? Si 2, ipapalit natin dun sa a number. So, ang una natin isusulat is yung a number kasi nagpalit sila ng places. So, a number represented by n, and then, lalagay na natin yung 2. So, when you translate 2 subtracted from a number, ang sagot ay n minus 2. Example number 5. The product of a number and 6. Ang keyword ay product of. So, multiplication ng ating operation. As a mathematical expression, kapag ang two quantities involved ay known and unknown, ang multiplication ay implied. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng symbol in between them. So, a number, pwede tayong gumamit ng kahit anong letter of the English alphabet, and 6 yung isa. Bakit kaya inuna kong sinulat yung 6 bago yung n? Kapag multiplication, sumusunod to sa commutative property. So, any order pwede. But, customarily kasi, inuuna nating isulat yung known quantity bago yung unknown quantity. Lalo na kapag tayo ay gumagawa ng algebraic expression. Example number 6. 4 times a number increase by 10. Napansin nyo na meron ditong comma. This is an indicator na meron tayong dalawang operation. Ano yung unang operation natin? 4 times a number. So, meron tayong multiplication dito. At yung pangalawang operation is yung increase by. I-translate muna natin yung una, si 4 times a number. Since known and unknown quantity, tandaan natin, multiplication is implied. So, pagka tinranslate natin, this is the same as 4n. And then, ano naman yung increase? That is addition. Nag-increase ng anong number? 10. So, when you translate 4 times a number, increased by 10, that is simply written as 4n plus 10. Example number 7. Half a number decrease by itself. Meron na naman tayong comma here, so indicator na meron tayong dalawang operation. Ang unang operation is half a number. So, hinati. Pag nakakita kayo ng word na half, it implies division. Yung pangalawang operation is decrease by. At ang decrease by ay nag-i-imply ng subtraction. So tara, i-translate muna natin yung naunang operation, which is half a number. So paano nyo siya ita-translate? Kalahati. So di ba kapag kalahati, that is 1/2. Pero ang hahatiin natin dito is yung unknown quantity, which is a number. So in this case, gagamit ako ng n. And then dahil half, ang denominator ko ay magiging 2 kasi kalahati. Decrease, that would be minus itself. So tulad ng kanyang sarili. So ang gagamitin natin is yung a number then. So that would be n. When you translate half a number decreased by itself, that is equivalent to n over 2 minus n. Example number 8. The square of the product of 5 and the number. So, napansin natin na magiging dalawang part to. Ano yung una? The square of. Square ng ano? Ng product of 5 and the number. So, napansin natin, dahil dalawang naghihati sila sa dalawang bahagi, meron dito magkagrupo. So, sino yung magkagrupo? Yung product of 5 and the number. So, let us translate the product of 5 and the number that is equivalent to 5n. At ang tinutukoy ng problem na to is yung square ng product nila. So, dahil magkagrupo sila, gagamit tayo ng grouping symbol, which is the quantity sign. Tapos, saka natin ilalagay yung square or yung exponent na 2. Pag nakita nyo kasi yung word na square of, tatandaan natin that the quantity will be raised to the second power. Kaya, 2 ang exponent natin. Example number 9. 5 more than twice a number is 15. So, ngayon, may nakita tayong word na is. So, ibig sabihin, mag-expect kayo that we're going to write a mathematical equation. So, ngayon, suriin natin itong given. Ang keyword natin is more than. Ayan, meron na naman tayong word na than. Tandaan, than is a switch word. So, pagpapalitin natin sila ng pwesto. Sino yung pagpapalitin natin? Si 5 at saka yung twice a number. So, una nating isulat si twice a number and that would be 2n. Since more than, kaya plus. So, ang susunod nating susulat is si 5. At dahil meron tayong is, gagamit tayo ng equal sign. At ano daw yung magiging sagot natin? That would be 15. So, pag tinranslate natin, si 5 more than twice a number is 15. That is equivalent to 2n plus 5 equals 15. Down to our last example. The product of 3 and 5 less than a number is 12. So, ang keywords natin dito is product of and less than. So, we have multiple operation here. Multiplication and subtraction. So, ang ipagsasubtract natin si 5 tsaka si a number, yung unknown. At napansin nyo na meron ditong word na is, so gagawa tayo ng equation. Ano kaya yung nasa right side ng equal sign? That would be 12. So, unahin natin isulat yung the product of. So, nag-i-indicate siya ng multiplication ang ating operation. And since isa lang naman siya, so 3 will be our factor. At ang magkagrupo yung 5 less than a number. Tapos tatandaan, dahil may word na than dyan, ibig sabihin, switch word yan. So, 3, gagamit tayo ng grouping symbol which is the quantity sign. I-express natin si 5 less than a number. So, mauuna yung unknown bago yung known. So, that would be quantity and minus 5 kasi nag-switch sila ng place. tapos yung is, equal sign, and then 12. So, when we translate the product of 3 and 5 less than a number is 12. That is written as 3 times the quantity and minus 5 is equal to 12. Let's have a drill. Question number 1. Write the English phrase or sentence into mathematical expression or equation. 3 more than a number S. So in this scenario, you're going to use S to stand for the unknown quantity. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. So what is the answer? S plus 3. Bakit naging S plus 3? Dahil ang ating keyword is more than, and than is a switch word. That's why nag-switch ng places si 3 and si S. So, when you translate 3 more than a number S, the answer is S plus 3. Next question. Translate a number P less 7. What is your answer? P minus 7. Bakit naging P minus 7? Kasi yung number P, binigay natin dito, less lang siya kaya hindi natin sila pinagpalit. So that would be minus. And then 7 written as 7. So when you translate a number P plus 7, that is equivalent to P minus 7. Question number 3. Translate 7 subtracted from a number P. Your time starts now. And the answer is P minus 7. Bakit naging P minus 7? Because of the word subtracted from. Ibig sabihin si 7, ibabawas mo kanino? Kay P. Kaya, pinagpalit natin yung question ni 7 and ni P because of the word from. Always remember that from is a switch word. So, pinag-switch natin ang places, yung a number which is P, and then yung known quantity which is 7. So, when you translate 7 subtracted from a number P, that is equivalent to P minus 7. Question number 4. Translate 7 less a number P. Start. The answer is 7 minus P. Translate the difference of a number P and 7. Your time starts now. What is your answer? Correct. When you translate the difference of a number P and 7, the answer is P minus 7. Question number 6. Let us translate 7 increased by 4 times a number R. What is your answer? Is it the same as 7 plus 4r? If yes, then you are correct. As you can see here, we have two operations. The first is increase, which is addition, and the next one is multiplication. But remember, in mathematical expression, multiplication is implied, so you don't have to write any symbol in between the known and unknown quantity. So when you translate 7 increased by 4 times the number r, that is the same as writing 7 plus 4r. Question number 7. Let us translate 40 less than twice a number x. Show your answer now. Is it the same as 2x minus 40? Okay, kaya naging 2x minus 40 because of the word less than. Always remember that the word than is a switch word. Kaya natin pinagpalit yung pwesto nila. So, twice a number, x is represented by 2x. And then yung 40, nilipat natin dun sa kabila because of the word than. Question number 8. Let us translate the sum of a number b and 2 added to 6. So take note that there is a comma here indicating that there are more than one operation. What is the answer? Quantity b plus 2 plus 6. So, nakita natin na una nating pinagsama is yung the sum of a number b and 2. Since separated yung operation na yan dito sa added to 6. So, nakalagay siya sa quantity symbol para ma-indicate natin or maipakita natin that they are grouped with each other. So, the quantity b plus 2. So, yun yung nasa loob kasi the sum of b and 2. So, ito yon yung b plus 2 nasa loob ng quantity sign. Dahil added to 6, kaya nagkaroon ng plus 6 sa labas. Question number 9. Let us translate 12 more than the product of a number y and 3 is 36. So, ito mahaba-haba to. At tatandaan natin dahil may word na is, ibig sabihin, we're going to translate it into mathematical equation. So, let's see. Ano kaya naging sagot ninyo? Tingnan natin. Is it the same as 3y plus 12 is equal to 36? If yes, then you are correct. So, ang sabi dito, 12 more than the product of a number y. So, since may more than dito, magsiswitch sila ng place. So, mauuna natin isusulat yung product of a number represented by y and 3. So, that would be 3y. Tapos, si 12, nilipat natin dun sa pangalawang pwesto. Kaya, naging 3y plus 12. And then, dahil may word na is, gumamit tayo ng equal sign. At, ang result daw is 36. So, sinulat lang natin siya dito. Ganun lang siya kadali. For our final question, let us translate 5 times the number d divided by 4 equals 7. Let us check your work. That would be 5D over 4 equals 7. Dahil sabi dito, 5 times a number represented by D, so that is equivalent to 5D. And it is divided by 4. Kaya nagkaroon ng over 4 dito. At sabi, yung quantity na yan ay equals, kanino? Kay 7. Kaya, naging ganito yung ating final answer. So, when you translate 5 times a number D divided by 4 equals 7, the answer is 5D over 4 equals 7. Let us put our skills to test. Problem number 1. Express the given into mathematical expression. The sum of two consecutive even integers is 30. What are the two numbers? So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito is i-express lang natin yung given into mathematical expression. So, ang given natin, the sum of two consecutive even integers. So, gawa tayo ng that statement. Let n be the first number. So, gagamit tayo ng letter to stand for an unknown quantity. So, ang ginamit natin dito is n. So, yung n ang ating magiging first number. Since consecutive even integers sila, ano yung i-add natin dun sa unang number para makuha natin yung kasunod? Pag nag-add tayo ng 1, hindi pwede. Bakit? Kasi yung even number, nag-plus ka ng 1, ano yung magiging result? Magiging odd number. So, anong i-add mo? Para makuha mo yung consecutive even integer after the first number. 2. Tama. So, i-represent natin yung second number as n plus 2. Eh, sabi ng problem, the sum of two consecutive even integers is 30. What are the two numbers? So, pwede tayong gumawa ng mathematical equation para ma-solve natin yung problem na yan. At kung gagawa tayo ng mathematical equation, ano yung magiging equation natin? So, sabi dito, sum. So, pag-plusin natin yung dalawang consecutive even integers. So, that would be equivalent to n plus quantity n plus 2 is equal to, sabi sa problem, 30. Kaya ang ating naging mathematical equation for this problem is n plus the quantity n plus 2 is equal to 30. So, nakita nyo na yung pagta-translate pala nagagamit din sa pagsasolve ng word problem. But in this case, inirepresent lang natin yung given into mathematical expression. Tapos gumawa lang tayo ng equation para in case na magsasolve tayo. Pero sa susunod na nating mga lesson, ipapakita kung paano mag-solve ng mathematical equation. Okay, so abangan niyo yung susunod nating mga videos. Problem number 2. Let us express the given into mathematical expression. The area of a rectangle is 10 square centimeter. The width is 3 less than the length. And what is the length and width of the rectangle? So let us make a let statement that n stands for the length. So yung n natin, gagamitin natin para sa length. And then let us express the width in terms of length. Sabi dito, 3 less than the length. Ang length natin is n. Pero dahil less than siya, magsiswitch tayo. So, unahin natin yung length, that would be n. And then less than, that would be minus. And 3 yung susunod. So, that is the same as n minus 3. That would be the representation of our width. And now, let us make an equation to represent the given problem. So, sabi, area ng rectangle is 10 square centimeter. So, the formula for area is length times width. So, ang mangyayari dyan is, i-multiply natin sa length and sa width. So, that is the same as n times the quantity n minus 3 is equal to 10. So, yan yung equation natin for the given problem. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Are you in for a challenge? So, I'm going to give you a math challenge. Express the given into mathematical expression. All you need to do is take a screenshot and then send me your answer via email or messenger. That's all for today. I'll see you again on my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.